Video noise can make great moments look distracting and low quality. In this video, I'll show you how to denoise your video easily and automatically using VideoProc Converter AI, while keeping your footage clean, natural, and detailed. Video noise often appears as random grain, colored speckles, or flickering dots, especially in darker areas. Low-light recordings are one of the most common causes of noisy footage. High ISO settings can also introduce noticeable grain, especially when cameras or smartphones boost ISO in low-light conditions. Older videos and archived footage can also suffer from heavy noise and image degradation. Traditionally, removing noise requires adjusting multiple settings and finding the right balance between smoothness and detail. AI denoising simplifies the process by automatically identifying noise patterns and restoring cleaner frames. For this tutorial, we'll use VideoProc Converter AI. It's an all-in-one AI video enhancement and converter software that can denoise, upscale, and enhance video, image, or audio quality. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the download link in the description below. Launch VideoProc. Open the AI Super Resolution feature. Import the noisy video you want to improve. Select the AI model that best matches your footage. Gen Detail and Real Smooth are both recommended for excellent denoising results. They perform differently depending on the footage. The other two models are designed for older computers. These super resolution models can help fix noisy, grainy, and blurry footage automatically. They can also upscale video resolution and enhance video quality. See, the grain is significantly reduced while important textures and details remain intact. Once you're satisfied with the preview, export the video and let the AI process the footage automatically. That's how you can remove video noise and improve video quality with VideoProc Converter AI. The software is an all-in-one video tool. It can also convert videos, compress, edit, and record. You can check out or try it on your own videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.